for you. You were chosen as one of the Rales Scholarship recipients. So all your hard work has paid off. It is up to $60,000. And then it comes along with mentorship and internship opportunities.
Thank you so very much. And I'm so proud. Best daughter ever.
Unfortunately, you're not going to need to get a job this summer because you received the Rales Scholarship, which will pay for the rest of your school.
Congratulations! You are the KIPP winner for the Rales Scholarship.
Wait, actually? Wait. We received. Wait, hold on. Wait. The Rales? The Rales one? The 2017
one. Sí. Felicidades.
Congratulations!
You're a Rales scholar.
Oh my God. Okay, I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me stop. Yeah. Okay. 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 You got it?
You're totally good.
I need to tell my mom.
You do need to tell your mom.
Can I go tell my mom now?
Yeah, you want to bring them on to the Zoom
know.
because I want to see them. Bring your mom over
Okay.
here. So Sanaya has some great news for you. You want to share, Sanaya?
I am a founding Rales scholar, which means I will be getting $60,000 in financial aid.
Oh my gosh.
This is huge.
Feel welcome, feel accomplished.
You are a recipient of the 2022 Rales Scholarship.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys, and
Yeah.
that's why I'm so happy and I'm so proud to be from KIPP.